Welcome to the Having Fun Making Jewelry collaboration. I'm the host of this kind of small collaboration. We don't have that many people, which is kind of sad. But anyway, the whole point is to have fun making some jewelry. This is an important collab to me because I have a little jewelry business that's about to go out of business if I don't start paying attention to it. So I'm going to really be trying. I'm trying harder this month than I did in the last few months. Anyway, we always have a color that is mandatory, or a set of colors that are mandatory to use, and our color choices for this month were black, orange, and or purple. You don't have to use all three together because, yeah, I don't know, but black and or orange and or purple or some combination thereof. Then there were two optional challenges. One was use skull beads because, you know, we're in October, getting close to Halloween. And the other was to use or make acorn items. I did all of them, so I have quite a variety here to show you. So let me get started. I really want to just I wanted to keep going with this, but yeah, I had to stop because I had to make cards, you know. Anyway, but I want to make more jewelry. So the first things I made, which I don't usually make, are stretchy bracelets, and I made two different styles. This one goes in the middle because it has more orange beads. These are Swarovski, what do they call them? Neon orange. I've had them for a while and they actually fell out of the container and were laying on the floor, so I thought that was a sign. Swarovski pearl neon orange 10mm round. I got them in packs of 25 from Fire Mountain Gems. I don't know, a while, 2016. I finished this one, so I used 25 of them between the bracelets and the next two pair of earrings, and these are on Beadalon, oh gosh, Beadalon 0.8mm, which I wish I would have had 1mm, but I didn't, in black stretch cord elasticity. So that I had gotten long ago from JTV actually. And then I also used some of these Oriental Trading black beads, which if you watched my spider earring tutorial, they're 6 to 10mm. That's what all the black beads in here are. And I don't usually make these, but I figured for neon I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I just got that backwards, but anyway, you get the idea. So they come on and off. You know, I didn't have any trouble with these first two, and then this last one broke twice when I was trying to tie it, so I had to restring it twice, and I can't, I did the knot so good on the third try, I can't, it's too big and I can't get it into the bead, but I was afraid it was gonna break again. So I need to get a little dab of like E6000 or some kind of jewelry glue, which I have, and then try and snip those off a little bit so at least they'll be less visible. But the other two went into the beads no problem, and so far haven't broken. And they're meant to be worn as a set, but I don't know if I'll sell them as a set or separately. My wrist is about a 7-inch wrist and my hands are kind of chubby here to get over, so they'll fit a 7-inch wrist or 6 3/4-inch wrist, but much bigger than that I don't think they'll fit. They're going to be for sale as soon as I figure out. I don't know what to charge. I have to see, because the Swarovskis are a little bit more expensive than some other things. They're about 20 cents a beads. I don't know. Then I've had in my stash, I had bought like a bead it was from JTV, and it was just like a variety bead bag kind of thing, and it had these, this was long ago, probably 13 or 14 I'm talking about. It had these shell leaf beads in it, so I used the same neon pearls, another glass bead, and an 8mm, and then I brought in two little jet black Swarovski 3mm crystals, some silver stud earrings, and just made a little leaf dangle with those. I made 2 pair of those. I hope I'm in frame. There you go. Okay. And then I switched to skulls, and I hadn't used any purple yet. So if you watched my bargain bead box video haul from this morning, the 18th of October, that's where these are out of, these gunmetal colored skulls, which are close to black. I don't know if you can see the skull detail. They're kind of pretty shiny there. You can sort of see it. And these are fuchsia satin. Oh gosh, I wrote it down. Hang on. I don't know if I still have them out. I don't think so. 1 second. 1 second. They're fuchsia. Oh, where'd they go? Here they are. Fuchsia satin. Yeah, 4mm bicone beads. And so fuchsia is sort of a purpley pink, so that's my purple. That's the only purple I have on anything today, and this one doesn't want to stay right forward. So I just made simple dangles on that, and then I made 3 pair with red. Now these reds are actually the Swarovski, but they're rounds 4mm because I had them stored in the wrong box. But I thought, well, let me try the rounds, and they work. They're actually, the color is called light cyan, which is basically red. So I made 3 pair of those, and that used up my purchase of the gunmetal color skulls that I shared in that haul this morning. I did not use the other ones I shared in that haul. And then the next thing I made, I used Stampin' Up's acorn trinkets, and I made 3 pair, and again those shell leaves. And then these I think are either agate or carnelian. They were in that same bead thing haul that I had gotten from JTV ages ago. So I made 3 pair of those. I kind of mixed metals. The acorns are sort of a coppery bronze color. So this is a copper jump ring, because I only had like this, let me show you. I don't know if you're going to be able to, that's not a good, see this brass color? I had that, but I didn't like that with this. I thought the copper went better. I didn't have any antique bronze jump rings, I guess is what I'm saying, or antique copper, which would have looked better. But I did have head pins, eye pins, the same color. So I just used an antique bronze or brass eye pin and then a copper jump ring. But I made 3 pair of those. They're a little weighty because those acorns are a little weighty, but they're not, like, I could wear these and they wouldn't ruin my ears or anything. And I did put clear bead stoppers on the back of all 3 of those pair. These are all studs. And then the last ones I did, I used 12mm glass pearls. I got them at Fire Mountain a long time ago, and they are bead glass pearl 16-inch dark brown 12mm. From Fire Mountain, the item code is H20-9887GL. No clue whether they're still available or not. And then these are vintage. Now Fusion Beads is no longer in business, but so I got these a while ago too, 2015. They're 13mm copper acorn bead cap by Vintage, and they're $1 per bead cap, and that was on sale, so they're expensive. And I have them in 2 colors. I have them in copper, and then I had them in this natural brass as well. But again, I thought I had these ear wires, which are I got them from Bead Box Bargains actually, so they're like a vintage bronze, and I used a vintage bronze head pin. And then they each have Swarovski crystal 4mm But I got them out of this mix, which I've had for a long time. Also, these were from Shipwreck Beads, I believe. And it says May 2012 is when they did it. So it's 144 in a pack. It was a kit called Crystal Brass Monkey. And they are Swarovski 4mm. But you can see this one is like a mocha color. I don't know if you can see or not. I ran out of my other ear cards, or I can't find them. So, come on, focus on top of the bead cap. Anyway, that one's mocha. This one's more like a smoky topaz on top. Don't know if you can see it. So this is kind of getting away from the colorway, but it meets the criteria of the optional challenge. I can't get it to show you. Anyway, that's more like smoky topaz. And then this is sort of a gold, not a straight gold, but a goldish color. It's not going to show. There, you can see a little glimpse of it. I don't know why that's so blurry. That's better. So those are my makes. So what is that? So 5 skulls, 3 leaf with acorn earrings, 3 other acorn earrings, 2 neon orange and black with a leaf earrings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 pairs of earrings. 13, how's that for that? And 3 stretchy bracelets, which is not something I usually do. But I probably should do more of, because people seem to want them. But I don't know if I'm the best at making those. I am better at doing the crimp bead thing, actually. So yeah, that is what I made. So please go check out everyone else in the collab and see what they made. And I have to get these logged and recorded and photographed. And I probably am not going to get to that until maybe Wednesday, because I'm still behind in catching up my system, and I can't put them in my system till I get it caught up with the other stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll let you go. Please visit everyone else, and I hope to see you next month for the 18th, having fun making jewelry. We are going to continue this collab next year. I don't know if everyone on my current collab team will be continuing or not. I've gotten a few positives, and I'm waiting for a few answers on that one. And if anyone else would like to join this one I will open up to anyone else that might want to join. So please let me know if you're interested in doing this collab the 18th of every month, 10 a.m. Eastern, and I'll send out the schedule once I get confirmation that you can do it and post every month and want to do it. So, alrighty guys, take care, have a great day, talk to you soon, happy October, bye for now.